In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and manage your Google Docs trash, ensuring that you can easily retrieve any accidentally deleted documents. We've all been there, working on an important document and accidentally hitting remove. But no worries, because I'll guide you through the process to recover it seamlessly. First, let's start by understanding what happens when you delete a file in Google Docs. Deleting a document doesn't mean it's gone forever, it just moves to a special location, the trash. This is incredibly useful if you ever need to restore something you've removed by mistake. Let's go through this step by step. Imagine you have a file in Google Docs that you want to delete. To do that, simply locate the file on your Google Docs home screen. Once you find it, click on the three horizontal dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, found at the bottom right of your document's thumbnail. You'll see a menu pop up, and from there, select the Remove option. This effectively moves your file to the trash. Next, we'll locate the trash in Google Drive. Most people don't realize that Google Docs files are closely linked with Google Drive, so you'll need to switch over to your Google Drive to view the trash. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll notice a panel on the left side of your screen. Look for the option labeled Trash and click on it. This is where all your removed files from Google Docs, as well as other Google services connected to Drive, end up. In the trash, you'll see a list of all your recently deleted files, including the one we just moved there. What's great about this section is that it gives you two choices for how to handle these files. You can either choose to permanently delete them to clear some space, or if you realize that you need a document back, you can restore it with ease. Let's say you want to restore a file. Find the file in the trash, right-click on it, and then select the Restore option. This will move the file from the trash back to its original location in Google Docs. Once you've done that, simply go back to your Google Docs dashboard, and you'll see the file is back and accessible, just like it was before. And there you have it. That's how you can efficiently find, manage, and restore your files from the Google Docs trash. This method ensures that you're never worried about losing important documents again. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital experience. Thank you for watching.